Hey, how's it going guys? It's Adrian here, and today we're going to take a look at one of my concepts. It's a card game that I'm intending to do. So, as you may or may not know, I'm a game developer, game designer, and I've been working with mobile games for a couple of years now. And I'm intending to do this game, which is basically a card game with the Pokemon battle system included. It's a mix of the two. And you've got two warriors or two beasts or two characters that are gonna battle each other, and may the best one wins. So be sure to level yourself up by gaining experience and buying better cards, and that's it. That's the main idea. You gotta level your skills up. So in this concept, I made Templar Knight and a Tribal Bounty Hunter. They're gonna fight each other. And in the end of the video, I'll post a photo of the ending result that I made. So if you guys like, I'll be making more videos of this series. I'm intending to do a series of these. So I hope you guys like it. That's the Templar Knight. I just did the helmet. If you Google it up, and the first photo you'll see, it's that guy. It's a photo reference for this sketch. Then the helmet, I did the shoulder plate, and that's basically, I'm just getting the main shapes done. So after I do that, I color in with shades and gradients. But in this case, it's straightforward flat design. So after I'm done with the helmet and the shoulder plate, I just need one. I can copy and duplicate it. I'm gonna make the clock with this red, very characteristic Templar cross. So this game is really lovely because it got two mechanics. If you guys ever played the Adult Swim's Pocket Morty, something like that, I don't remember the name. It's exactly the same concept. You got a Pokemon battle style system, and you've got different things that have to battle each other. So if you mix it up with a card game, it gets a bit more interesting. So that's the core idea. Let's hope you guys like it. Now I'm adjusting the proportions, so I want it to be a bit bulky. So it's a bulky knight. It's got these cone shapes. The top is bigger than the lower part, so it looks like that. I made a leather belt, inked it up with some shades, shadows, and I make the belt buckle. It's a simple one, roundy, looks a bit simpler to make if you're a smith or something. So there you go. I fixed it and the belt's done. One of the hardest things to do in this drawing was actually to get that side clock in the right place, because the shape's that roundish thing, but to get it to look okay with the small legs is a bit tricky. Then I got started with the arms. So making the arms were a bit tricky because I had to figure out the right light source. I thought at first that was coming from the front, but it wasn't. It was coming from actually the right top corner, a bit looking forward, but it wasn't anywhere else. It was like that. So I got the jar armor done, and I used those ideas that I had from the light source, and that was it. Then I did the arms, the upper arm. I added a bit of that with the shadow, and I decided I wouldn't do a lower arm. The lower arm is just the armor, and that was it. Then I sat it angled, a bit angled, like a really bulky guy. He's just hit the gym. The legs were a bit simpler because I already had the arms done, so I just used it as a template. I used the same colors, the same structure, and I fixed it. But placing the legs with the clock was a bit tricky. The side clocks and the legs, they didn't match at first because the clocks were a bit bigger than the legs. so I had to fix a bit. I did the hips using the arm I had just made and just tweak it a bit to make it look good. After I felt like it was good, I set everything the right place, and that was it. Once I was done, I duplicated the belt to make it a double stripe, and I placed that in front of the buckle to look a bit handmade. Then I had to make a weapon for him, and I decided to go with the standard long sword. So I got a reference of a sword. I made the pommel, yellowish. It's a very cool thing that every sword has on the lower part. I did the grip, and the grip is a leather striped thing. I lined all the rectangles to make it look sharp and clean. And I did the cross guard, but I decided to lose the decorative things. They weren't taking me anywhere, so I lose them. I did the blade. I did the pointy blade with 2 rectangles, and I divided them, and I cut the sword. I cut everything in half to like shadow it, to make a bit darker in the left side, change a bit of the saturation and the colors, and that was it. After I was done with that, I deformed the sword to make it look a bit cartoonish, and that was it. So if you liked this video, let me know. It takes a little time to make and to edit and make everything. I really want to make this game, so if you guys like the idea, let me know. Comment below, thumbs up, it really helps me out. So if you're also a developer and you want to help me out somehow, share this on Twitter, share this on any other social media that you use. And that's it, let's go dev, and see you guys next video.
Yeah.